Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So wasn't planning on coming on tonight, but I had to come on and tell you about this new deal that came out. Now I know I mentioned the Nivea in my video from Wednesday, but this deal just got even sweeter today. And if you don't even use coupons, you can still go get this for free. So it is insane. This is at Kroger. So I'm gonna go through it with you step by step. This is a crazy deal on this. But if you do have a coupon, I know I said no coupons needed, but if you do have the coupon for the 930 Smart Source, you can turn this into a $2 money maker. So I'm going to give you both options here. So let's just dive right into this deal first. I want to tell you who told me about this. I heard from two different people. I heard from Melinda Thornton about this deal and from Amy Stotts about this deal. So thank you to them because I would have never even noticed it. So thank you to the both of them for alerting us to this awesome deal. First off, the Nivea shaving cream, $2.99 on sale at Kroger right now, down from $3.99. We have a new $3 Ibotta rebate. So right off the bat, you're going to get that for free. Right away. So that's crazy. Right off the bat, free. If you do have that 2 off 2 coupon, that drop it down to $1.99 each. You get back $3. You'd be making $1. But if you don't have coupons or you don't even like to use coupons, which I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably use coupons just based off the kind of stuff I post. But if you can get this coupon or whatever, that's free shave cream, which is insane. That is a crazy deal. So here's the typed breakdown with no coupon. Just recap. You're going to buy 3 of the Nivea shave gels. Now, let's say your store doesn't have 3, maybe they only have 2 or 1. You don't have to buy 3. The limit is 3 on the rebate. So that is why I recommend picking up 3, because you might as well. But if your store doesn't have 3, you could do lesser than that. But if you got 3, $2.99 each, that comes to $8.97. You need to submit for that $3 Ibotta rebate and claim it 3 times. Make sure you do that. So that makes it a 3-cent money maker. Now, like I said, if you throw in that coupon, you're going to make $2.03, which is crazy. But either way, you've got to go get this deal. So yeah. And this is going to last until Ibotta decides to take the rebate down, but the sale goes until the 23rd of this month. So we have plenty of time to do it. Now, if you haven't already signed up for the rebate apps, if you haven't signed up for Ibotta, I would really appreciate it if you would use my referral code. It is AYJJJR. You get back an extra $10 for using that code, which is really great. 5 or 10. I'm pretty sure it's 10 right now. So you will get back money just for signing up. Either way, you'll get back more money for signing up. When you use someone's code, you get extra money. So please use that code. You'll get an extra bonus just for using that. And if you haven't already, you should sign up for Fetch Rewards. Guys, if you haven't already signed up for Fetch, you can turn this into an even bigger moneymaker. So if you use my referral code, it is C1PNA, and you have to use that code in order to do this. You will get an extra 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2 just for scanning a receipt. So you go and scan this receipt with Fetch, you'll get an extra $2 back. So totally do that. Talk about even a bigger moneymaker on these shaving creams. So if you haven't already, please use my referral code. It is C1PNA. So yeah, awesome deals with these rebate apps. So, yeah, that is all that I have in this video. I just want to give you that alert about the shave cream. The sale runs for a while, but always be sure to check your Ibotta and make sure nothing changes or whatever, because Ibotta might do that. So, yeah, check out these other videos if you haven't already so you can get the best deals. And, yeah, thanks for watching.